Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Kurt with Rock.Hounding.Adventures. Today we are going to do a unboxing video of some new material that I just received in the mail from John Cook and the Family Stones over on Facebook. If you have not checked them out, I highly recommend you go over to Facebook, go follow John Cook and the Family Stones. I believe every night of every week they have multiple live shows and giveaways, and so this box right here is a giveaway that I won from one of their live shows. I want to say a couple weeks ago, and their giveaways are insane, like just like mind blowing, like crazy cool, and their prices are the best prices I've seen on Facebook, Instagram, all the social media platforms where you see live shows, and rock shops in general. So let's go ahead and open this up, take a look, and see what all I won. And then shortly after that, I'm going to show you a couple other gems that I purchased from him. But let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, it's easy to open it up from my lap, so I'm going to do that real quick. And anytime you buy stuff from John and the Family Stones, they always do a fantastic job packaging it up. And I've never had anything come in the mail that has been busted, cracked, or anything of the sort. So they do a fantastic job on that. So there is my invoice, which when you win a giveaway, you pay for the shipping, and all the material after that is free. So this bad boy right here, super cool. This is a piece of Brazilian agate. It's a huge slab. So I'll open this up in just a second. If I remember correctly, Jeff, the host that night, he said it was a turtle backing and iris Brazilian agate. So that's super cool. And this right here is a piece of Blue Mountain jasper, Blue Mountain picture jasper. And oh, right, this is a sweet piece of fire obsidian that I won. So and then this right here, Sumatra plume agate. If I remember correctly, Jeff said that this stuff was mined out in the 70s or 80s in Mexico. So that's super cool. And then this piece right here was also a piece of Blue Mountain picture jasper slab that was going to be made into a cabochon, but didn't get that far. So I'm going to go ahead and unwrap everything, and I'll bring you guys back in just a second as soon as I get them unwrapped. Okay, we're going to start off with the Brazilian agate, but I'm going to go ahead and put some water on this real quick. Actually, hold up. Let me go grab some oil. I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and put some oil on the Brazilian agate because it's hard to see whenever stones are not wet. And I've noticed mineral oil works best on slabs, especially when you're looking for like an iris or turtle backing. I don't have a backlight, but you can see that nice gold iris type sheen. And in the proper lighting, you can see turtle backing. I just do not have another flashlight. I'm using the flashlight on my phone. But let's see. Hold on. I'm gonna try and show you with my ceiling fan light. Let's see if that helps. There you go. You can kind of see the turtle backing there, but super beautiful. Look at that. That's so cool. So let's put this back where it was. So that is a slab, and I think I know just what to do with this. That's so beautiful. Just gotta make sure I don't drop it. I mean, just look at that golden iris sheen. That's so beautiful. And again, I won this for free uh, by trying to win some of his stones on the auction um, on his live show. So definitely got to make sure go check out John Cook. And he always has some of the coolest and newest material on the market, and at the best prices. And now for the next piece, we'll take a look at this Blue Mountain slab. Let me get a little bit of oil. Here's the Blue Mountain slab, Blue Mountain picture jasper. Look at that. That's so beautiful. I am definitely going to be cabbing this soon. Just off the charts, insanely cool. Hey, look, I got a little bit of dopping wax for free on the side. Cool. Okay, let's see. Put that off the side. The next one we're going to take a look at is the Sumatra, I believe Sumatra flame plume agate from Mexico. But there we go. Look at that. So beautiful. You can see the flames in there. I'll see that all in this area. Such a beautiful piece. I was thinking probably just hold on to this and keep it in our collection since this material has been mined out, and has been mined out for the last 40-50 years. But super beautiful. This part right here almost reminds me kind of the yellow cat out there in Utah. But super beautiful, super cool. Another sick piece. Okay, now let's look at the other half of the Blue Mountain picture jasper. There it is, dry with a little bit of oil on it. Gives that pop. Look at the orbs. So cool. So beautiful. And it is a nice sized chunk, so I'll be slabbing and cabbing and wrapping and tumbling some of this material in the future videos over the winter probably, which means I got a lot of cutting to do by the time the snow gets here. So and I also just went up on the mesa and I went to one of my spots that I find carnelian agates, and you guys will see that video in the future, near future coming up. Here's the other half of that piece of Blue Mountain picture jasper. So cool, so beautiful. Okay, and the final piece of the giveaway was this piece of fire obsidian. You can kind of see some of that fire right in there. Kyle told me the best thing to do is to put this into a bucket of water. When I'm saying Kyle, I mean Kyle over at World of Rockhounds, Hofob, the holder of Fire Obsidian Master and Polisher. So he told me to put it into a container of water to see the best flames, but I actually don't have a large bowl I can put this in currently, as they're all being used up. But maybe in the future video. Let's put a little oil on this too, because it helps that flame, that fire shine and stand out. You guys see that right there? So if you guys haven't ever heard of fire obsidian, go check out Kyle, World of Rockhounds. He has so many pieces that he's polished to perfection, and check his channel out. That stuff is insane, off the charts beautiful. And then I believe all of these layers right here are also fire as well, possibly. Again, I'll have to do what Kyle said and put it into a bowl of water to find out for sure. But super cool box, and I am thankful so much for John Cook and the Family Stones for giving me the chance to win this awesome giveaway. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If so, please like this video, subscribe to the channel. We'll be doing more unboxing videos as they come up. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot. Before we do the outro, I just want to show you some material that I purchased from John Cook. This piece right here is purple cow agate. And I put some oil on it. This piece right here actually kind of looks like a picture scene as well, like a volcano erupting with some lava. But I'm really excited to cut this open. Let me dip it in water. To cut it open and do some cabs and polishing of this material. So again, this is purple cow agate, and over there, I don't even know where the brown paper is for this. So purple cow agate is about $10 a pound from John Cook, and so this piece right here is like around 20 bucks, but definitely worth it, and be getting some cool stuff out of it. And the last thing that I bought from him is this right here, and this right here is, it's my first time to hear about it, which was by Tonight, which is similar to the Oregon Sunstones, but they're, I believe, a little bit, they have a little bit more of a gold tone to them, but this is a feldspar, gem quality for faceting, and I mean, you can just see the beauty in these pieces. So I'm gonna have to find someone that I know that does some faceting and do send a couple pieces and let them facet some, because this is just too beautiful. And this stuff goes for about $100 a pound, and I got this for $75 with 40% off because John Cook was having a sale. So I got a sick deal on this stuff right here. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If so, please like it. Comment down below, let me know which is your favorite piece, any ideas on what you think I should do with each of the pieces, and make sure to go check out John Cook on the Family Stones. I know I keep saying it, but I do mean it. And I hope you guys have a fantastic week. Rock on, find some cool rocks, or buy some cool rocks, and I'll see you guys next time. Rock on.